My dear students, Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to another session of our mathematics class. In the previous session, we have discussed the 6 trigonometric ratios and we have solved questions 1 to 6 from exercise 8.1. Hope you have revised well. And in today's session, we shall discuss the remaining questions from exercise 8.1 and also will discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Let's move on to the topic. Before starting the session, let's rewind the 6 trigonometric ratios. There is a right triangle and there is an angle which is marked as theta, and 90-degree opposite we will be marking as hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to the given angle theta is opposite side, and the side which is left over, that is the adjacent side. And the first trigonometric ratio is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to O divided by H, means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Next ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to A divided by H, that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And the third ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to O divided by A, that is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Next one is cosec theta, that is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Next one sec theta, that is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. And the last one is cot theta, that is adjacent by opposite. We have learned a shortcut to remember these formulas, that is SOH, that is for sine, opposite divided by hypotenuse, and next is CAH, that means for cos, adjacent by hypotenuse, and the last one TOA, that is for tan, opposite divided by adjacent. So simply we read it as SOHCAHTO. Move on to question number 7 of exercise 8.1. The question is, if cot theta equal to 7 by 8, evaluate. First question, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second question, cot square theta. So here, consider a right triangle ABC and the given trigonometric ratio is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Let's write the formula for cot theta, that is equal to A divided by O. Let's draw a right triangle ABC, right angled at B. And there is an angle theta which is marked here on C. So let's mark H, O and A, the 90-degree opposite side, that is H, the side which is opposite to the given angle, that is O, and the leftover side, that is A. Then here cot theta is equal to A by O. So A is BC and O is AB. That is BC by AB equal to 7 by 8. From here we can write the length of BC and we can write the length of AB. Here BC is equal to 7K and AB is equal to 8K. Here 7 by 8 is in simplest form. So when you write the length of BC, we have to write it as 7K because we have to write the multiple of 7. And here AB, the length of AB, we have to write it as 8K. That means the multiple of 8. Let's mark these two sides on the triangle. That is length of AB 8K is marked and the length of BC 7K is marked. By using Pythagoras Theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Let's substitute the values. AC square is equal to 8K the whole square plus 7K the whole square. AC square is equal to 8 square is 64, then K square. 7 square is 49, again K square. Here we have got 64K square plus 49K square. That is AC square is equal to 113K square. From here AC we can calculate, that is root 113. Root of K square is K. So AC is root of 113K. Let's write it on the diagram. AC is 113K. Here we have to calculate sine theta and cos theta. So sine theta formula is O divided by H. That is O is 8K and H is root of 113K. So 8K divided by root of 113K. Here K cancelled. Finally we have got Sine theta is equal to 8 divided by root of 113. Next, cos theta formula we have to write. Cos theta is equal to A divided by H. That is cos theta is equal to A we have 7k and H is root of 113k. So 7k divided by root of 113k. Here k cancelled. Then finally we have got cos theta is equal to 7 divided by root of 113. Now go for the first question, that is 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So little bit of simplification we have to do. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That formula we have to use, that is 1 minus sine square theta. A is here 1, so 1 square is 1, b is sine theta, so b square is sine square theta. Similar formula we have to use here, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is in the form a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. So here 1 minus cos square theta we have got. So 1 minus sine theta we have the value 8 divided by root of 113. So we have substitute here 8 divided by 113 the whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta we have here 7 divided by 113. When you substitute it here, 7 divided by 113, the whole square will come. That is equal to 1 minus 8 square is 64. Root of 113 square is 113. Root will go. So 1 minus 64 by 113 divided by, here again 7 square is 49. Root of 113 square is 113. So denominator becomes 1 minus 49 divided by 113. Go for simplification, that is 113 LCM if you take 113 minus 64, 113 into 1, that is 113 minus 64, that is 49 divided by the whole denominator will come as 113. Next here again 113 if you take LCM, 113 into 1, that is 113. 113 minus 49, 113 minus 49 is 64 divided by the whole denominator is 113. Then we can cancel 113. So the final answer becomes 49 divided by 64. Second question, cot square theta we have to calculate. That is cot theta we have already given here 7 by 8. And cot square theta we can write it as cot theta the whole square. Both are same. Cot square theta we can write it as cot theta the whole square. That is 7 by 8 is the given value for cot theta. That is 7 by 8 the whole square. That is equal to 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. So the final answer is 49 divided by 64. Move on to question number 8. The question is, if 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Here the given condition is 3 cot A is equal to 4. From here cot A we have to calculate. Cot A is equal to 4 divided by 3. This 3 will come here as denominator. Let's write the formula for cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite, that is A divided by O. Draw a right triangle ABC, and here angle A is mentioned, so A we have marked here. Then let's mark the sides. 90 degree opposite is H, so the opposite side is side opposite to the given angle, that is A. Then the leftover side we have to mark it as A. Then let's substitute cot A is equal to A divided by O. Here A is AB, O is BC. So AB divided by BC. Then we can write, by comparing this cot A and this cot A, we can write the length of AB and the length of BC. So AB is equal to 4K and BC is equal to 3K. Then let's mark it on the diagram. AB we have marked as 4K and BC we have marked as 3K. By using Pythagoras Theorem, that is hypotenuse square, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let's substitute the values. AC square is equal to 4K the whole square plus 3K the whole square. That is equal to 4K, that is 4 square. 4 square is 16, then K square, it is written. 3 square is 9, then K square is K square. So we have got 16K square plus 9K square. That is AC square is equal to 25k square. 16 plus 9 is 25. Then AC is equal to root of 25k square. Root to 25 is 5. Root of k square is k. So we have got the length of AC as 5k. Let's mark it on the diagram. AC is 5k. Then we have to write sine theta, that is sine theta is O divided by H, that is equal to O. O is BC and H is AC. So sine A is equal to BC by AC. Here theta is our given angle. Our given angle is A. So we have written here sine A is equal to BC by AC. That is sine A is equal to BC, we have the length, that is 3k. Then AC we have the length, that is 5k. So 3k divided by 5k. K cancelled. Then we have got the answer as 3 divided by 5. Next is cos theta we have to calculate. Let's write the formula. Cos theta is equal to A divided by H. Then cos A, theta is A here. So cos A is equal to A divided by H. So here A is AB and H is AC. So AB divided by AC is written here. Then cos A is equal to length of AB is 4k and length of AC is 5k. So 4k divided by 5k. K cancelled and we have got 4 divided by 5. Then tan theta we have to calculate, because here tan A we need to calculate. That's why tan theta formula O divided by A. Here theta is A. That's why tan A is equal to opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So BC divided by AB is written. Then tan A is equal to length of BC, that is 3k, and the length of AB, that is 4k. So 3k divided by 4k is written. K cancelled. Then finally we have got the answer as 3 by 4. Then let's calculate left hand side, that is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. That is equal to 1 minus tan square A. Tan A we have calculated, that is 3 by 4. So tan square A is 3 by 4 the whole square, divided by 1 plus tan square A, that is 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square. Let's go for the calculation. That is 1 minus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 divided by 16 is written. Similar way denominator also 9 divided by 16. Let's take the LCM, that is 16 if you take as LCM. 16 into 1, 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 divided by the common denominator is 16. Here in the denominator again 16 is there. Let's take this common denominator 16. 16 into 1, that is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 divided by 16. Then 16 cancelled. Finally we have got the answer as 7 divided by 25. Next on the right hand side, that is cos square A minus sine square A. From here RHS right hand side is cos square A minus sine square A, that we have to calculate. Cos A we have already calculated, that is 4 by 5, that is 4 by 5 the whole square, minus sine A value is 3 by 5, that is sine square A is 3 by 5 the whole square, that is equal to 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, that is 16 by 25, minus 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, that is 9 by 25. Common denominator 25 if you take, numerator 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. So here left hand side when you calculate, you have got the answer as 7 by 25. And on the right hand side also we have got the answer as 7 by 25. So we can conclude 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sine square A. That is the result. Next we shall discuss question number 9. The question is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of, first question, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So the given condition is tan A is equal to 1 divided by root 3. So let's consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Then let's mark the sides, that is 90 degree opposite we have marked as H. Next The side which is opposite to the given angle A, that we have to mark it as O. The leftover side is A. Let's write the formula for finding tan theta. That is tan theta is equal to O by A. O is BC and A is AB. So BC by AB. Then by comparing these two equations, we can write the value of BC and we can write the value of AB. So BC by AB, we can write it as 1 by root 3. Then from here we can write BC is equal to K. Here BC is 1. So 1 into K, we can write it as K. And AB is equal to root 3K. So let's mark these sides on the diagram. So BC we have marked as K and AB we have marked as root 3K. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let's substitute the values. AB we have root 3K, that means AB square is root 3K the whole square, plus BC we have K, so BC square is K square. Let's go for the calculation. Root 3K the whole square is 3K square and K the whole square is K square. So 3K square plus K square, that is equal to 4K square. Then AC is equal to root of 4K square. Root of 4K square is 2K. So we have got the length of AC as 2K. So let's mark it here on the diagram. Length of AC is 2K. Next, we have to go for calculating sine values, cos values. So sine theta formula is O divided by H. Here sine A we have to calculate. Here the angle is A. Sine A, based on this A only, we have marked the sides here. O divided by H. So O is BC and H is AC. So sine A is equal to BC by AC. We substitute it. Sine A is equal to BC, we have the length here K, and AC we have the length 2K. So K divided by 2K, K and K cancelled, and finally we have got the answer as 1 by 2. Next is cos value, that is cos theta formula we have to write. Cos theta is equal to A by H. Then cos A is equal to A. A is here AB and H is AC. So AB by AC is written. Then cos A is equal to length of AB, that is a root 3K, that is written, and AC, length of AC is 2K, that is written here. So K cancelled. Finally we have got the answer root 3 by 2. Next, we have to change the angle. Here we have to calculate based on angle C. So the same triangle we have to draw ABC and we have to mark the sides, that is BC is K, length of AB is root 3K and length of AC is 2K. The same triangle which we have marked before. Then only we have to label the sides. So 90-degree opposite as before, it is hypotenuse. And now the angle is changed because we are going to take C as the angle, because sine C, cos C and all we have to calculate. So with respect to C, the opposite side is AB, we have marked here, and the leftover side here is BC, that we will label it as A. Then again sine C we have to calculate, because sine C here we mentioned. So sine C is equal to O divided by H. O is AB, H is AC. So AB by AC. So length of AB is root 3K, length of AC is 2K. Here K cancelled. Finally we have got the answer as root 3 by 2. Next is cos C. The cos formula is A divided by H. So A is BC divided by H is AC. So BC by AC is written. Length of BC is K and length of AC is 2K. K cancelled. Finally we have got the answer as 1 divided by 2. Next, first question, that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Let's substitute the values. Sin A value is 1 by 2, cos C value is also 1 by 2. Here we have calculated, plus cos A value is root 3 by 2 and sin C value is root 3 by 2. Here sin C value is root 3 by 2. Go for the calculation, that is 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 divided by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 2 into 2, that is 4. Then when you take 4 as common LCM, numerator becomes 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4, that is 1 is the answer. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let's substitute the values. Cos A value is root 3 by 2. Cos C value is 1 by 2. We have got from here. We have calculated and kept the values here. We have to pick and write. Sin A value is 1 by 2 and sin C value is root 3 by 2. Here it is root 3 by 2. Go for the calculation. That is root 3 into 1 is root 3 and 2 into 2 that is 4. Here again 1 into root 3 that is root 3, 2 into 2 that is 4. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that we have got the answer as 0. Next we shall discuss question number 10. The question is, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Here the given measurements are PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Let's take a triangle PQR, right angled at Q, and angle P is marked here because sin P, cos P and tan P we have to calculate. Angle mentioned here is P. So we have marked angle P. Then PQ is 5 centimeter given. Then let's take QR is equal to X. So we have marked QR as X centimeter. Then PR is equal to, this QR will come to the right side, that is 25 minus QR, plus QR coming to the right side, it becomes minus QR. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Then PR is equal to 25 minus QR we have taken as X, so 25 minus X. Let's mark it on the diagram. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here PR is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Substitute the value. 25 minus x the whole square is equal to PQ is 5 square, QR is x, so x square. We can expand this expression by using a minus b the whole square formula. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square, that is 25 square, b square, that is x square, minus 2ab, that is 2 into 25 into x. So 2 into 25 is 50, 50 into x is 50x, equal to 5 square is 25, x square is x square itself. That is equal to 25 square is 625 minus 50x is equal to here 25. Now on the left side there is an x square and on the right side also x square. Both the x squares are cancelled. Then 625 minus 25. This 25 we are bringing to the left side. This plus 25 when it comes to the left side it becomes minus 25. And this minus 50x when moved to the right side it becomes plus 50x. So we have got 625 minus 25 is equal to 50x. That is 50x is equal to 625 minus 25, that is 600. Then x is equal to 600 by 50. 600 by 50 we have got the answer as 12. So x value is 12. Then QR is equal to 12 centimeter. QR only we have taken before as x centimeter. Now we have got x value as 12. So QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Then PQ is equal to, we have got here PQ 25 minus 12 centimeter. Here 25 minus 12, that is equal to 13 centimeter. Then PR is equal to 25 minus x, and when you substitute it, PR is equal to 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12 is 13 centimeter. So PR we have got as 13 centimeter. Then let's mark the H, that is 90 degree opposite we have marked H. Then O, the given angle is P, so opposite to the given angle P, that is O we have marked. Then the leftover side we have marked as H. Then sin P is equal to O divided by H. So O divided by H is QR divided by PR, that is marked here, PR divided by QR. That is equal to PR we have QR we have 12 and PR we have 13. So 12 by 13. Then cos B is equal to A divided by H. A is PQ and H is PR. So PQ we have 5 and PR we have 13. So the answer is 5 by 13. Next is tan B. Tan B is equal to O divided by A. O is QR and A is PQ. So QR by PQ, that is equal to 12 divided by 5. That is the answer. Next, we shall discuss question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The first statement is the value of tan I is always less than 1. Consider a right triangle MNC right angled at N. Let's take a right triangle MNC right angled at N. And take two sides MN and NC as 3 cm and 4 cm. If you know two sides of a right triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the hypotenuse or any other side. So that is 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So root of 25, that is 5. So the length of MC is 5 centimeter. Here I am not using calculation part because it is only a true or false question, 1 mark question. So better to practice mental calculation. So here 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16. So root of 9 plus 16 is root 25. Root 25 is 5. Pythagoras theorem we have used. Then let us mark O, A and H. 90 degree opposite is H. Here I am taking M as my angle. So opposite side is NC and the leftover side, that is adjacent side, we can take it as MN. So if you take tan M, this is the angle. So tan theta is O divided by A. O is here 4 and A is 3. So 4 by 3 I have got. So 4 by 3 surely it is greater than 1 because the numerator is more than the denominator. That means the given statement is false. Given statement says that tan I is less than 1, but we have got here tan I greater than 1. Therefore the given statement is false. Ck is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. This is the next statement. So Ck is equal to 12 by 5. Here Ck is equal to H divided by A, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Means here hypotenuse is 12 and adjacent side is 5. As hypotenuse is always largest side, Ck must be greater than 1. Here you know that hypotenuse in a right triangle, if you take, always the longest side is hypotenuse. Here also 5 is the hypotenuse and the other two sides are less than 5, 3 and 4. In a right triangle, if you take, hypotenuse is the largest side. And in Ck formula, hypotenuse is on the numerator. So numerator will be always bigger than the denominator, because numerator always carries hypotenuse. Therefore always you will get Ck value as greater than 1. So the given statement is true. And in third statement, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Of course it is a wrong statement because already we have learned the cos A is the abbreviation of cosine of angle A, not cosecant of angle A. So abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A is cosecant, and therefore the given statement is false. Next statement is cot A is the product of cot and A. Here cot A is not the product of cot and A. It is a cotangent of angle A. Means simply we cannot split cot A like cot and A. Cot A together we call it as a trigonometric ratio, and it is a short form of cotangent of angle A. Means the given statement is false. Next statement, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta equal to 4 by 3 is the given value. We know the formula for sin theta, that is O divided by H. When you compare the right hand side, here 4 by 3, here O by H. You can see here denominator value is the hypotenuse measurement. So numerator value is the opposite side measurement. In a right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Here when you check, hypotenuse is shorter than the opposite side. That is not possible because in a right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So in a right triangle, hypotenuse is always greater than the remaining two sides. Hence the given statement is false. Next, we shall discuss the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here, first of all, we will try to find out the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. First of all, consider an isosceles right angle triangle ABC in which AB equal to BC and angle B equal to 90 degree. There is a right angle triangle ABC. And here it is an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Here it is mentioned AB and BC are equal. Here AB and BC are equal in the sense angle A and angle C are also equal because angles opposite to equal sides. So here 90 degree is gone. So in a triangle, by using angle sum properties, total 180 degree, out of that 90 is gone. The balance 90 degree equally divided by two angles A and C. Means angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle C also 45 degree. So these are the basic concepts based on this isosceles right triangle. Suppose here BC and AB we are taking as A. BC and AB we have marked as A. Then let us mark the hypotenuse, that is 90 degree opposite, we have marked as H. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here AC is the hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. That is AC square is equal to AB square we have A square, and BC square we have A square. That is AC square is equal to A square plus A square, we have 2A square. When you take the square root, AC is equal to root 2A. So let's mark the length of the side AC, that is root 2A. Now we have the sides AB is A, BC also A, because it is an isosceles right triangle and the hypotenuse is root 2A. Then let us mark O, A and H. H is already marked. O is angle 45 is our angle. So the side opposite to angle 45, that is O. Then the leftover side we will take it as A. Then sine 45 is equal to sine formula we know, that is O divided by H. Here I am not writing the formula because you have to write it from your memory. So sine 45, that is sine theta is equal to O divided by H. Here O is BC and H is AC. So BC by AC, that is BC we have A and AC we have root 2A. So here A by root 2A, A cancelled, and finally we have got the answer as 1 by root 2. That means sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Next is cos 45. Cos formula is A divided by H. Here A is AB and H is AC. So AB by AC. AB we have the length A and AC we know it is root 2A. Again A cancelled, and finally we have got the answer as 1 by root 2. Next is tan 45. The formula is O divided by A. Here O is BC and A is AB. So BC by AB, again A by A, that is equal to 1. Next is cosec 45. Cosec 45 is H divided by O. Here H is AC and O is BC. So AC divided by BC, that is equal to length of AC is root 2A and the length of BC is A. Here A cancelled, and finally we have got the answer as root 2. That is cosec 45 value is root 2. Next is sec 45. Sec formula is H divided by A. Here H is AC and A is AB. So AC divided by AB, when you substitute the values, root 2A by A. Length of AC is root 2A. Length of AB we know that it is A. So here, then A cancelled, and finally the answer is root 2. Next is cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to AB by BC, that is we know that length of AB is A, length of BC is also A. So A by A, that is equal to 1. So in the examination point of view, this is a very important question. Sometimes the question may ask, the question format is this one: find geometrically the value of a particular trigonometric ratio, maybe sine 45 or cot 45, something like that. Next we shall discuss trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Here consider an equilateral triangle ABC in which AB, BC and AC are equal, and angle A, angle B and angle C are equal to 60 degree. As we know, equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. Since three sides are equal, three angles also must be equal. By using angle sum property, the sum of the angles in a triangle is 190 degree. Since it is equally dividing into three angles, so 190 divided by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. Next, let us draw a triangle ABC. Then here I have marked angle B as 60 degree. Of course, angle A and angle C also 60 degree, but I have marked angle B only, that is 60 degree. Draw a perpendicular AD from A to the side BC. Let's draw it, the perpendicular. The perpendicular meets BC at D. So whenever this perpendicular AD comes into this triangle ABC, it becomes two triangles. One is ABD and another one is ACD. Here, triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent. By using CPCT, we can say that BD and DC are equal. Here BD and DC are equal because they are the parts of congruent triangles. Again, angle BAD and angle CAD are equal. Here angle BAD and CAD are equal. Means altogether angle A is 60 degree because it is one of the angle of an equilateral triangle. So angle A is equal to 60 degree. It is dividing into two equal pieces, that is each angle will get 30 degree. Now we have to calculate the trigonometric ratios of 30 and 60 degree. So with the 30 and 60 degree angles, we have got a right triangle. Now we can apply trigonometry. Triangle ABD is a right angle at D with angle BAD 30 degree and angle ABD is 60 degree. As I said before, ABD is a right triangle and two angles 60 degree and 30 degree we have marked. Here let us take AB, BC and AC equal to 2A. Let's mark it on the diagram. Then BD is equal to half of BC. So here as I said before, BD and DC are equal. That means BD will be half of the total length BC. So the total length of BC is 2A. Half of 2A is A. So let's mark these measurements on the diagram. So BD and CD we have marked as A on the diagram. By using Pythagoras Theorem, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Here ABD is a right triangle. If you apply Pythagoras Theorem, AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is AD square plus BD square. That is what it is written here. So AD square is equal to, let's take this BD to the left side. So AB square minus BD square. So plus BD square going to the left side, it becomes minus BD square. That is equal to AB, we have the value 2A. So AB square is 2A the whole square. BD, we have the value A. So BD square is A square. That is equal to 2 square, that is 4. 4A square minus A square. So 4A square minus 1A square is 3A square. Here AD is equal to root 3A or A root 3 we can write. Then let's calculate sine 30. Sine 30, sine theta, the formula is O divided by H. That is, when you take O, here I did not mark any one of the sides here by using the letters H, O and A, because now you need to practice without writing this one. Mental calculation we have to do. So sine 30 formula is O divided by H. So here angle is this one 30. So O opposite side is just opposite of the angle 30 degree, that is BD, divided by H, we know that is the longest side or 90 degree opposite side, that is AB. So BD divided by AB. That is equal to BD we have the value A, AB we have the value 2A. So A cancelled, we have got the answer as 1 by 2. Next you have to calculate cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Again sin 60 if you write as before, sin 60, let's recall the formula for sin theta, that is O divided by H. So the angle is changed here, that is 60. Based on this 60, O is this one opposite of 60 degree, that is AD. This is opposite of 60. So AD by hypotenuse remains the same, that is AB. So AD by AB, that is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Then you have to calculate cos 60, tan 60, cosec 60, sec 60 and cot 60. So please try it this as homework. Next we shall bring trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees under one frame. There is a table given to you. In the first row angle is mentioned, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And in the first column, trigonometric ratios are mentioned, that is sine A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec and cot A. How to read this table? Let's read it. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Similar way, we can read cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot values. In the examination point of view, there will be 1 or 2 questions from this topic. So, you have to learn these trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree compulsorily. Two options are there. Either you have to by heart or you have to derive. Here I will discuss or I will share with you one shortcut. There are so many shortcuts are there. So one shortcut just we will discuss how to derive this 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Only you have to by heart 5 values, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These 5 values you have to by heart. By using these 5 values, we can write all the other trigonometric ratios. First of all, the first row just similar way we have to write, that is angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, and the first column also same, that is sine A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec and cot A. So there is not much difficulty to write this first row and first column as it is. Then as I mentioned before, 5 values you have to by heart, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That we have to fill it in the second row from left to right. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So first sine A values are filled, means second row is filled. Then by using the same number, we can fill the cos values, or we can fill the third row, that is cos values. As I mentioned before, the 5 values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. These values we have to write from right end to the left. From here, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Once again, 5 values only we have, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That I filled in the sine row from left to right. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then by using the same values, I am filling cos row from right end to the left. That is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then by using these sine and cos values, we can find tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now you may feel difficulty because you didn't study the formula. After studying the next topic, it will be easy for you. So let's discuss here. Then for finding the tan, you have to simply divide 0 and 1. Means sine and cos, if you divide, you will get tan. That is 0 by 1, that is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is root 3. 1 divided by 0, division by 0, not defined. Once again, tan values you will get by dividing sine and cos values. Here 0 by 1, that is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is root 3. 1 by 0, that is not defined. Again, for getting cosec value, just take the reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine. That is, sine value is 0. So 1 by 0 is cosec 0. That is 1 by 0, not defined. So 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 divided by 1 by root 2. That is root 2. 1 divided by root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. Then 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Then for getting cosec values, you have to take the reciprocal of cos. So 1 divided by 1, that is 1. 1 divided by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. 1 divided by 1 by root 2, that is root 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2, that is 2. then 1 divided by 0, division by 0, not defined. For getting cot values, you take the reciprocal of tan. Again 1 divided by 0, not defined. 1 divided by 1 by root 3, that is root 3. 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Then 1 divided by root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Then here 1 by 0 only not defined. Reciprocal, if you take 1 divided by 1 by 0, that is 0 by 1, that is 0. So this is the shortcut. So if you feel it is convenient, you can go along with this, or else you can go for your own options. My dear students, in today's session we have completed exercise 8.1 and also we have discussed the trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please feel free to call. Thank you for watching.